Hello everyone, my name is Christina and welcome to Pick Up Vietnamese. Let's learn how to say drinks in Vietnamese today. As you know, Vietnamese weather could be very hot sometimes and humid as well. So we offer a lot of kinds of drinks that can quench your thirst in these hot days. Let's start with the first one. Sinh tố is smoothie. We have sinh tố xoài, mango smoothie. Sinh tố dâu, strawberry smoothie. Sinh tố bơ, avocado smoothie. Number 2, pennywort juice. Rau má, rau má. Number 3, sugarcane juice. Nước mía, nước mía. It is super cheap and super healthy, and you can find it anywhere on the street or in a restaurant. Number 4, coconut water. Nước dừa, nước dừa. And here in Vietnam, it is very popular to drink coconut water from the coconut. It is very refreshing, so you shouldn't miss nước dừa when you are in Vietnam. The next kind of drink is very popular, cà phê, coffee. And then we have sữa, milk, or beer, beer. Soda chanh is lime soda. Trà atiso, artichoke tea. Xương sáo, grass jelly. Nước sâm, herbal tea. Sữa đậu nành, soybean milk. So that's it for the drink. If you are in Vietnam right now or you will have a chance to visit Vietnam soon, don't miss out on those drinks. They're all amazing. So I'm gonna see you in the next video of Pick Up Vietnamese. Tạm biệt mọi người.